In this video, you will add a diagram to your presentation. Diagrams are a visually appealing way to display information about timelines, cycles, and workflows. They visually represent information that might be difficult to explain in text by showing the relationship between elements. For example, you might want to use a diagram to show a family tree or the structure of your team. Diagrams can also show a series of steps or processes. These graphics are good ways to visualize information like sales reports, goals, and long-term plans so that your audience can understand them easily as you present. To begin, add a new slide for your diagram. Choose a slide with the title and label your diagram clearly. Add a diagram to your slide. The style of diagram you choose will depend on the kind of information you want to display. Diagrams are named for the kinds of information they would most easily represent. For example, if you plan to show a family tree, you might choose a hierarchy diagram. Or if you wanted to visualize the steps in a process, like a project workflow, you might choose cycle. This example uses a timeline diagram. Select the timeline and insert it into your blank slide. Slides automatically create shapes and text boxes. Fill in this diagram with information about the team's sales goals. Use the text boxes at the top to identify dates, then use the text boxes in the middle to let your audience know your goals or milestones. Next, add details using the smallest text at the bottom of the page. Make sure that your diagram and text are large enough to read easily. And change the font color so you can easily read the text over your slide's background color. Finally, align your diagram in the center of the slide. This will help your audience focus on the information while you explain it. When you have finished the timeline, move on to the next video to include charts in your presentation. Now, it's your turn. Add a new blank slide, create a timeline diagram, and edit the font size, style, and color so that the words stand out.